Good evening, everyone. Thought I'd jump on quick and just kind of show pad thai because that's what I'm making and give you guys an update of what's going on for March. So if you haven't had our pad thai yet, totally recommend it. I've got some chicken going in my wok and I'm just letting it brown up a little bit first. And then I have the pad thai seasoning, and then I've got my noodles. And to speed my noodles on, I'm just going to actually use a round steamer and kind of just warm them up. So I've got a round steamer. I'm going to put a couple of these in, and then I got hot water. So I'm just going to soak these guys in the hot water. And then that's it. So I'll just let them sit over there, stay soaked, while I'm getting the rest of it going. So, okay, so the chicken's going. We don't have peppers, green sprouts, or any of that. Hi, Cindy. We're just going to go ahead and make with what I have. So basically I've got the seasoning, which I'm going to put in here with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and about 3/4 a cup of water. So that. And I forgot my thing. Measuring. Which I probably have exactly almost what I needed. Didn't even need to measure. And about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. Just mix that up. And then I can go ahead and add the vegetable I do have, which is zucchini. Could use broccoli, could use peas. Might actually throw some peas in there at the last minute. They don't really need long. So I just have zucchini that I used our 4-in-1 mandolin to get them all skinny and thin. But you, of course, can use like a food processor or just chop them really thin if that's what you're good with. There we go. Super simple pad thai for dinner. Really, I mean, I'm using this 2 containers, but the noodle in the hot water, rinse out, don't need to really wash, which is really what I'm all about, not having to wash stuff too much. It'll just be the wok, which is pretty cool. All right, so give that another 2 minutes and then I'll throw the zucchini in. So what's going on with March? So much. So hosts, you can rock it out this particular month. One, you get this really cool containers that you guys can get to help waste less. So it has a little tray at the bottom to get the moisture and the air flowing. Pretty cool color, of course, because it's our purple aubergine color, which is awesome. And yeah, you get them for over half off for those. The other thing for hosts is appreciation month. So we give you an extra 20 or up to 50 of host credits. So that's on top of the sales, that's on top of future bookings and all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool. So anyone in the month of March who has a cooking class, and there's more than one way to have a cooking class, you can do a demo like I'm showing you right now. You can just have a link and send to your family and friends. You can bring them into this group and I can do demos here and you guys can show them all that. That's lots of options. Let me turn down my heat. And I'm probably going to need a little bit of water based on my amount of veggies that I'm trying to get us to eat. So those are the 2 host things that are going on. Then there's customers appreciation, or customer special, I should say. It is bunny cake, or making a Easter bunny cake. So 2 round pans and 2 of the carrot cake packages. It says 10% on the thing, but instead of $48, it's $35, which is pretty cool. So you do get a pretty good discount on that. It's basically over. You in essence get the carrot cake for free, which is pretty cool. So, and the round pans can go into the microwave, which means you can make this cake in the oven, or the microwave, or in the oven, whatever you particularly want to do. And it gives you a digital recipe card on actually how to make it into a bunny shape, which is pretty cute. And then, of course, there is our taste test for the month. So last month was teppanyaki. This month is called East Coast burger seasoning. So in essence, it's for fish, for salmon burger. But I'm sure there's more than one thing you can make with it. I just ordered mine and I'm waiting for it to come. It's got garlic and dill and onions and lemon, and then you just mix it in with your like cans of salmon or whatever you might have, a bit of mashed potato, and you go ahead. So that's it. So super easy for that one. What else? So those are the customer special, 2 host specials, and the taste test. Oh, yeah, right? Oh yeah, and joining. And of course, the joining bonuses. So, because I brought people on last month, it means I can offer 20% discount for anyone else who wants to join in March. If you're thinking that that's an idea, feel free to message me. And if you were in your 12-month of holding period before you could join, that's gone for March. You can join or rejoin us in March. So there we go. Lots of cool host specials, lots of cool customer appreciation gifts, lots of taste test items, lots and lots of everything. So if anything catches your attention, or oh wow, that's it, I totally forgot. The 30-day March meal collection is different from last month, so completely different. So if you are interested in getting 30 days of your meals taken care of, grocery lists and everything, totally check out that 30-day meal program. You get, it's about $100, and you get 4 of the packages in essence for free onto it, so it's pretty cool. And it's exclusive, so that's awesome. So yeah, 30-day March collection, the bunny cake collection, the taste tests, 2 things about joining, and the 2 things for the hosts. So lots and lots. So if you want, we can chat. If you have something particular interested, you can go check it on the website and see what's available. I'll be posting all week about what's coming. Otherwise, there we go. That's what's going on. So myself or my team would love to have you guys as hosts, or of course, any way we can help you with tips or tricks or anything in the kitchen, feel free to message us. Anything particular you would like to see in the group, you can always message me or put it in a comment, and I will see what we can do. So there we go. So there is our chicken pad thai with the zucchini, the noodles. Pretty much, you see that very well without killing myself, but so this noodles are pretty much done, so I'm just going to go ahead and add them in there. And as I said, I could throw in some peas at the last minute, which I might just do. And there we go. Pad thai seasoning with chicken, zucchini, and some rice noodles. And there we are. Dinner is done. So there you go. Thank you very much, Cindy, for joining. Thank you very much for anybody else who watches after. Feel free to hit the replay button and ask any questions. Otherwise, have an awesome evening. Thanks.